Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. One of the biggest questions that I have is, what about the scar? I'm so worried about the scar. This is a typical scar. Grow out the hairline to about a level 2, I would say this is. And you just got a haircut recently, correct?
Yes.
And tell us about your scar. Do you ever notice your scar? Do you ever know where it is?
I don't even tell the barber about it.
So I even tried finding the scar, and I'm going to be honest with you. I have absolutely no clue where it is. I went high, I went low, and I cannot find it. I'm looking and I'm looking. I'm going left and right, and I cannot find the scar. So for the few patients who are worried about a hairline scar, good luck finding our scars here at Natural Transplant. I think this is where the scar is, right here. Zoom in real close. That fine line right here is where the scar is. You can literally barely see it. So if you're thinking twice about getting a hair transplant and you have more ethnic type hair, the hair curls up underneath the skin. So I'd never recommend the FUE with your type of curlier hair. Recommend the strip procedure, what we call the HUE procedure, the high unit extraction. And again, this is our scar. I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Please contact us if you're interested in a hair transplant.